English speaking practice. How did you come here?
I came here in my car.
Where are you from?
I'm from Birmingham.
Who did you come with?
I came alone.
How are you?
I'm doing very well.
What's in your bag?
I have some books in my bag.
What do you do?
I'm a salesperson.
What do you sell?
I sell books.
Why did you come here?
I came here to meet my friends.
Where do your friends live?
They live in London.
Would you like to stay in London?
I'll stay here for a few days.
Will you be my friend?
Of course, we are friends now.
Who are you?
I'm Tina.
What do you want to see here?
I want to go to the beach.
Will you come to the beach with me?
Yes, I'll come with you.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
When did you arrive here?
I arrived here yesterday.
Do you speak Spanish?
No, I don't speak Spanish.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it's sunny today.
What time do you eat lunch?
I ate lunch at 12 pm.
Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not a teacher.
Does you play the guitar?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Is your brother a doctor?
No, my brother isn't a doctor.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 am.
Does your sister speak English?
Yes, she speaks English.
Where do you go on weekends?
I spend a time with my family.
What do you wear to work?
I wear a suit to work.
Is the store open on Sundays?
No, the store is closed on Sundays.
Are your parents at home?
No, they are not at home.
What time does the bus arrive?
The bus arrives at 5 pm.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
Do you play any sport?
Yes, I like to play football.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the supermarket.
Does it rain often in the city?
No, it doesn't rain often.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little bit tired.
Does your brother have a mobile?
Yeah, he has a mobile.
Where does your best friend live?
My best friend lives in London.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I like to listen to music.
Is the park far from here?
No, it's not far. It's just down the street.
What do you want to eat for dinner?
I want to eat pasta for dinner.
Do you go to the gym regularly?
I go to the gym twice a week.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
Is your sister older than you?
No, she is younger to me.
What time does the library close?
The library closes at 9 pm.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
Does your brother like to swim?
No, he doesn't like to swim.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 pm.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
Is this a book?
Yeah, this is a book.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Where is the park?
The park is nearby.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm quite busy.
Have you been to Paris?
No, I haven't been to Paris.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Birmingham.
Is this your car?
No, it belongs to my friend.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I feel fine.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't speak Spanish.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I'm not afraid.
Are you going to the party?
No, I have other plans.
Is this your first time here?
No, I have been here before.
Is this the right way?
No, you are going the wrong way.
Have you met my friend?
Yes, I have met him before.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to traveling.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, it's quite hot.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, it was a great day.
Is this a popular restaurant?
Yes, it's well known.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy working out.
Did you see the sunrise?
No, I slept in.
Are you good at maths?
No, I struggle with it.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
Did you visit the museum?
Yes, it was very interesting.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have visited many countries.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Not really. I prefer eating out.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Where does your brothers live?
They live in Birmingham.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around midnight.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, traveling is one of my passions.
Have you learned any foreign languages?
I am currently learning French.
Where is the pharmacy?
It's near the supermarket.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go home.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining.
How much money do you have?
I don't have any money.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my parents.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Thank you for your time. Kindly keep subscribed to update new videos.